So Asen and I are fixing to do some cooking. He's been helping Paw. Right now he's eating all the chips. He's not going to be hungry for supper. But we're going to make turkey enchiladas, which is just like green chicken enchiladas. So I'm going to show you what's up. So in this pan, I have probably about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds of chopped up turkey. There's breast and a little dark meat. Just leftover turkey I had from Thanksgiving. Now, along with that, there's also an entire package of this sour cream, okay? 1 full can of the cream of chicken soup, 2 cans of the diced green chilies, and I'm gonna heat it up and mix it, and then mix in this cheese with it, okay? That's gonna be what's gonna go into these tasty little tortillas. Okay, so I got to get some of those guys ready too. So I'm going to get busy getting tortillas ready and warming up and mixing that. But turkey enchiladas, another leftover turkey idea. Okay, guys, as it's getting warmer, I added a little bit of this, and that is not whole black peppercorns. That is New Mexico red chili pepper. Okay, that's what that is. Some little chili powder there, New Mexico red kind, and some cumin, however, camino, whatever you call it. Okay, a little bit of ground black pepper and a little bit of salt, and that's just laying on top of it. Okay, I'll stir it up a little bit so you can watch it disappear. Hopefully, it'll be pretty good. I also mixed in about half of the cheese at this point. Time I get done stirring it all in, I just have a light little haze there. But it's getting warm now. I'll put a little bit more cheese and then I'll save a little bit for the topping. But like I say, there's my ingredients so far. Nothing fancy. That and corn tortillas. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, so we got some tortillas done. I put a little bit of our mix of our turkey and sour cream and all the good stuff. Just a tiny bit in the bottom. I'm gonna start stuffing these guys and rolling them and stack them in there as far as I can get across. So I'm just packing them in, rolling them up. Still have a half a pot, but I don't have room for a whole nother roll, so I have to go the other direction. So it's kind of a you know what when you start cutting into your tacos, but nobody cares because we're all starving, so I'm gonna get her done. Okay, guys, double layers here. We're 2 layers of tortillas thick now. I'm gonna sprinkle this cheese over the top, put it in the oven long enough for this dadgum cheese to be done and to be melted, and then we're done and we're gonna eat supper. But this is just an idea maybe of something you can do with your leftover turkey. And I'm going to tell you something. I've done this with chicken. Actually, my wife almost always makes these chicken enchiladas. And I have 4 adult sons. And they will come from other towns to eat these. Okay? May not look like much, but I'm telling you, this stuff is good stuff. So, check that out. It's going to look good when I pull it out of the oven. It's 350 for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later and supper's done. It's about 7 o'clock and we're ready to eat, so let me show you what it looks like. All the cheese melted on top real good. It's gonna be a mess. The enchiladas probably will not come out clean, but dadburn, this stuff is good. So, pretty good way to use turkey. I was snacking on it while I was making it. And that dadgum stuff tastes good. And so we're going to get fed and everybody's happy. But I hope this helps somebody maybe use your turkey or even chicken. This is my wife's chicken enchilada recipe and it's really good. So check it out.